Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I am going to write a program to print the reverse of a number input by the user. So let's start. First, I will make three variables. First, int number, which will be the variable which will take input from the user. Second, a temporary variable which will be used in the algorithm. Third will be a reverse number variable. So first, I will take input from the user and which will be stored in num. So I will write printf, enter the number, then it will store the variable. It will store the number in the variable num. So I am writing modulo g because it is a integer. And then I will start a while loop and it will run till the num becomes 0. So now I am going to start writing the algorithm. So first I will write temp is equal to num modulus 10, as it will store the remainder of the number, and I will then add the remainder of the number to the viewer number. I am storing the value of random 0. Then I am writing rev num is equal to rev num multiplied by 10. Then I am adding the temporary value, that is the remainder, and then I am multiplying num by 10. Then it will again start the loop. So our algo is now done. And now I'm going to write the printf statement to print the reverse of the number. The reverse modulus t. Now let's run the code. I'm let's say I'm giving 1 to 3 as the input and it is printing 3 to 1. Let's run by making some more numbers. 4, 5, 1. The code is working. And I have multiplied revenue by 10 because we have to add the remainder, which is a temporary variable, at the not in between. Let's say I have the number 15, so I have to make, and then basically the remainder is 3, so I have to make it 153, not 18. That's why I'm multiplying it by 10, and I'm dividing the by 10 is because we have to again get the remainder, not the same one. Thank you.